I always wanted to come to Brazil, and then this is actually the right excuse just to try to come to Brazil. And I've been searching for a few places like Turkey, Colombia, Panama, or Brazil, where they do actually hair transplant. And it looks like this is actually the right decision, because many of the other places around the world, they had like bad reviews. And then this was actually the only clinic that I saw that have like very good reviews, and they have actually the like real testimony from people. Hi! Hola!
You can go through here.
Hola!
Sit down there, distracted.
Hoje temos aqui no Grupo Capilar um paciente estrangeiro que veio da República Dominicana para fazer o transplante com a gente. É um paciente que já está há alguns anos pesquisando e escolheu o Grupo Capilar para fazer esse procedimento.
Expectations? Yes. To have my beautiful afro back. That's my expectation. Be slinging my hair everywhere.
Ele é um paciente com cabelo afro, então a gente tem algumas particularidades nesse caso, por ser um cabelo com uma extração um pouco mais difícil, como eu disse, com algumas particularidades. A particularidade no caso do paciente que tem um cabelo afro, a gente tem que ter um cuidado mais especial com esse cabelo, porque além dele ser curvo, né, ou encaracolado na parte externa, internamente também ele pode ter essa curvatura, o que dificulta um pouco mais a extração desse cabelo. E aqui no Grupo Capilar, como a gente atende pacientes há vários anos, a gente já desenvolveu técnica suficiente para poder extrair com a maior qualidade possível esse tipo de cabelo. Esse paciente tem uma calvície extensa, né? Então nós vamos trabalhar o máximo possível para extrair a maior quantidade de folículos para a gente poder oferecer para ele o melhor resultado.
Oh, look at that!
So now we have finished the procedure, and now you're gonna have some snack, and then you're gonna talk to the doctor, right?
Okay.
And the doctor will give you all the instructions about how you're gonna sleep, what you can or do not do during the next days,
Okay.
right? All the orientations he's going to give you now, right? When he called you to talk to him.
Okay.
Okay.
Right. Well, it was actually a pretty easy and smooth process. It's not that crazy. From the check-in, it was never a problem. You guys picked me up, came here. Actually, I had a good time with a teacher and some of her colleagues. And I don't feel any pain, it's pretty good. And if you come, or if you are even thinking about it, you should try, you should do it. And if you come to Brazil, of course, paying a few times around Florianopolis. People are very nice, food is good. It's great, I don't regret it. Ta-da!
Bye.